Welcome back. In this video, as you can see, I have a Dell monitor, which is model is I presume E2222HS. So it's coming in a box. So I'll take that out and try to attach the stand into the monitor. So as we take out from the box, there's some back plate of the monitor and scan with the cable to HDMI and VGA, and that's the 10 bar, and this is base plate. I'm going to attach this part. Oh, I believe that's very easy and straightforward. Just need to press it slowly. Yes, it does get attached. So that part is done, and I think this is a power cable came with it, and that's the main part of the monitor. Dell E2222HS monitor. We'll take off of that, and it came with some instruction as well. So to attach this bar, I think we just simply need to press in, slide in, and there is a, I'm sure you can see there is some screw there. We'll remove this part to show you. Now you can see there's the screw there. To attach the stand, you need to tighten that. So we did it. There you go. It's ready now. You can see this is ready monitor now. So those who want to detach this stand, you can height adjustable as well. So those who wondering to detach and you want to use the bezier stand into that part, and I'll put that on for you. Just simply need to align. And those who need to remove this part, you just simply need to press in there as I show you. If you want to remove this back plate, just simply press and it will come up, pop up from the back of this monitor. So how to detach the stand? You just need to remove this pinch there and remove this part, base plate basically, and unscrew from that part. You can see that's where you need to unscrew. And simply push back the stand holder. This is how you can remove. So thank you very much for watching this video.